Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that serve as coenzymes, antioxidants, and metabolic regulators. They are categorized by solubility. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are stored in the body's fat tissues and liver. Water-soluble vitamins C and all B vitamins are not stored well, and excess amounts are flushed from the body, requiring more consistent daily intake. Vitamin function. Key food sources essential for vision, immune function, and healthy skin. Carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, liver, dairy products. B complex help the body convert food into energy and are vital for nerve and blood cell health. Whole grains, meat, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, leafy greens. C an antioxidant that aids collagen formation, wound healing, iron absorption, and immune function. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, strawberries. D helps the body absorb calcium for strong bones, can be synthesized by the skin via sunlight exposure. Oily fish, fish oils, fortified milk and cereals, egg yolks. E an antioxidant that protects cells from damage and aids in red blood cell formation. Nuts, almonds, peanuts, seeds, sunflower, vegetable oils, spinach. K necessary for blood clotting and bone health. Leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, broccoli, soybeans, plant-based oils. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements needed for various structural and regulatory functions, such as fluid balance, muscle contraction, and bone formation. They are classified as major minerals or trace minerals based on the amount the body needs. Mineral function. Key food sources. Calcium builds and maintains strong bones and teeth, and helps with nerve and muscle function. Milk and dairy products, leafy greens, fortified foods. Iron essential for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells. Red meat, beans, lentils, spinach, fortified cereals. Magnesium supports nerve and muscle function, helps regulate blood pressure, and aids energy production. Almonds, cashews, spinach, whole grains, legumes. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance and normal blood pressure, and supports heart muscle function. Bananas, potatoes, lentils, leafy greens, milk. Zinc important for immune system function, wound healing, and sense of taste and smell. Oysters, beef, poultry, nuts, seeds, legumes. A balanced diet containing a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and dairy products is the best way to obtain all essential nutrients. Supplements can be helpful in specific cases, such as during pregnancy or for certain medical conditions, but should generally be discussed with a healthcare provider.